Namaste everyone. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. We are going to learn a hibiscus flower in pen, but before that, we will learn all the various parts individually how to draw. So step number 1, our next step is to draw a hibiscus flower. But we are not drawing ordinary hibiscus flower. We are drawing with the help of these things which we have learned just now. So, step number 1 is to draw the outline. So, start the outline. Now, I told you this is going clockwise. Second leaf, this part will come behind. So, actually, this is coming behind, but we cannot see because it is hidden. So, we will bring it here. Then next one is coming here. It is hidden here. There are curves. And wherever there are curves, that will be filled like these. Hibiscus flower, which we call in Hindi Gudhal ka phool, you will find folds in it. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow Vandana's Art on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for more videos. Thank you. Namaste.